So today we're going to do Cantonese shrimp. It's a dish done with shrimp, obviously, seasoned with some allspice, salt, black pepper, chive, garlic, and onion, and sesame oil. And then we're going to cook it down with some snow peas and bok choy. So we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of pimento. You know, we're local, so we like to add our local seasonings to every dish. So we just added 3 tablespoons of chive. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of garlic, an onion, 3 tablespoons, sesame oil, 2 tablespoons, black pepper, 1 tablespoon, allspice, 2 tablespoons. Allspice is kind of strong, so you kind of don't want to add too much. And salt to taste. We're going to use our hands now, get a little dirty and mix. And allow the shrimp to marinate. Our shrimp has marinated. Now we're going to cook and prepare the Cantonese shrimp. We want to start by preheating the pot a little bit first before we add our sesame oil, sesame seed, and whole cloves of garlic. Alright, we're going to add our sesame oil, 3 tablespoons, our cloves of garlic, 4. Allow the cloves of the garlic to toast a little bit in the oil, and then we're going to add the sesame seed to also toast, and then the rest of the ingredients. 2 tablespoons. Onion, 3 tablespoons. Pimentos, 3 tablespoons. Ginger, 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to add our shrimp. That's going to cover and allow the shrimp to cook for about 3 minutes. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Right, so again, remember, it's shrimp we're cooking. So shrimp doesn't take very long to cook. We don't want to overcook the shrimp. We don't want to toughen it up too much. So now we can go ahead and add all the other ingredients and then just mix thoroughly. Cover for another 3 to 4 minutes. Cook, and then we switch off. So we're going to add our soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, our red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, our mushrooms, 6 ounces, our snow peas, 6 ounces, give it a little stir. Some salt to taste. Some black pepper. 1 tablespoon. 3 tablespoons. The bok choy. With the bok choy, because it will wilt when it cooks, we can add it like this and just cover the lid. So we will cover the lid for the bok choy to wilt a little for about 2 minutes, and then we'll come back. Right, now that our bok choy has wilted a little bit, we're going to give everything a nice stir. At this point, you can taste for salt. We can add a little liquid. We bring this to a boil, and then we thicken our liquid with a little bit of cornstarch. With the cornstarch, we would have had the cornstarch mixed with a little water first. And the reason for that, you kind of don't want to add the straight powder cornstarch mix to your dish because you'll end up with some white lumps. You kind of want to mix it with water a little first so it becomes like this, and then add little at a time. Right, our shrimp is cooked just right now, so we could switch off and it's ready to serve.